Hi, this is Mark Isaac from the Guru Garage here in St. Louis, and today I'm going to give you a little tip on working with frozen fasteners, rusted fasteners, and what will feature are a couple tools that we have in the Moog product line. These are a 1/2 inch and a 3/8 bit that'll fit in a traditional air hammer, and what we can use these for is to provide an impact straight into a fastener that would often round off or break if we used it in a traditional, impact wrench. So things that are like Torx or hex or even traditional sockets can be used with this tool to try and break loose fasteners that are otherwise going to strip off or break off in a counterclockwise type hammering that you experience in a regular air ratchet or air wrench. So we'll use the 3/8 bit here in a standard size air hammer. And this bleeder screw in this rusted application, we'll use our impact socket, and the tool has flats on it that'll fit a 3/4 inch wrench. So we take our 3/4 inch wrench, put it on the flats, lean into the air hammer, and while we pull the trigger, break the fastener loose with the wrench. And so you can see that impact going straight in onto that bleeder screw, broke the threads loose in a heavily rusted condition, and we've got the fluid coming out. So try this in the future. It might not work on everything. You guys that live in the heavily corroded areas, I would try this first and maybe heat second. All right, this is Mark Isaac from the Guru Garage here in St. Louis. Hope you found this tip helpful. Thank you.